Getting the most from your laptop battery is all about smart settings. In this video, we will cover how to use Windows power and battery settings. Click the battery icon in your taskbar or open Settings and go to System, then Power and Battery. Here you will find everything you need. At the top, you can see your current battery level and how it has been used recently. Choose a power mode that fits your needs. Best power efficiency stretches your battery, balanced offers a mix, and best performance gives full speed when plugged in. Set how long until the screen turns off and the PC sleeps when idle, which saves significant energy. Turn on Battery Saver, which automatically reduces background activity when your charge runs low. You can even schedule it to switch on at a chosen percentage. Lowering your screen brightness is one of the easiest ways to extend battery life. For desktops, these settings help manage energy use and sleep behavior too. A few thoughtful adjustments keep your device running longer between charges and reduce wear over time.